How to delete your Trust Wallet account. If you have a Trust Wallet account but you want to delete it, this is how you can do it. First of all, open your app and log into your app. Once you've logged into your app, you have to make sure that if you have any kind of crypto or money in your wallet, make sure to transfer it to another account so you don't end up wasting your resources. Yeah, make sure to do that. And now let's get into how you can delete it. First, go to the settings at the top left here. And if you see, there is the wallets option at the very first. So you just click on it. And here is the main wallet that you can see. So if I click on these three dots right here, it will open up my main wallet. And from here, I can rename it or do whatever. But if you want to delete it, you just click on this delete button right here. And this will ask you for a confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete this wallet? Make sure you have backed up your wallet. So as I said before, if you have any crypto or money in your wallet, make sure to transfer it to another place or back it up so that you don't end up wasting all of your resources. And now if you want to delete, you just click on this delete button right here, and this will delete your wallet and your account as well. And that's how you can delete your Trust Wallet account very easily. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.